Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. At this time I'm staying on an incredible paradise beach in Praia do Forte, Bahia, Brazil. It's my dream place. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Can you just believe I'm looking at this beautiful ocean from here? So let me show you what this place has to offer. Please click like and write a comment below if you enjoyed this video. Now let's start our journey. The nearby beaches are amazing clear blue water washing against the golden sand. It's a real paradise here. I can enjoy the stunning panoramic views, the crystal clear waters, and stunning beaches here. I'm sure it'll be an incredible experience to walk through them and meet new people and make friends from Brazil. This place has a unique beauty. There are lots of options: fishing, kite surfing, sailing, kayaking. There are also some interesting places to explore. Of course, there are plenty of restaurants and bars, as well as courtyards and gardens. In the night, I can take advantage of the amazing nightlife here. There's also plenty of live music, performances, and events. I'm sure any night can be an amazing experience here. In conclusion, if you want to enjoy a great beach getaway, then come to Praia do Forte, Bahia, Brazil. Your vacation will be unique, beautiful, and unforgettable. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.